We have updated our launcher's interface to make it more intuitive and add new creative capabilities. Let's go into one of the launchers to check it out. On the left area, as always, you'll find all of the configuration options. But now, the Creative Selector will be simplified between Dynamic, Standard, and Carousel. Dynamic ads will A/B test all the different options of creatives with all the possible combinations of primary text and headlines. Standard ads will be just one combination of image or video with one primary text and one headline. But you can, of course, add up to 10 of these. You'll also find that the Creative Selector interface has been updated. If you click on it, you'll find both images and videos are now on the same tab, so you can select from both sources and display them together. First, you'll find all of the non-AI sources, meaning your own sources like the uploaded assets, scanning of your website, our stock image database where you can search for images, and of course, direct connections with your Instagram, Meta, and Facebook page. The same is true for the videos, where you'll find all of your native assets in the first section. Below that, you'll find the options to generate with AI. Smart Creatives, which were based on templates to generate multiple variations of branded creatives. Text to Image, where you can prompt to generate images like the ones you can see on the top right of the screen. And our new Product Shot Generator, where you can drop an image of your product or even multiple images and combine them into a lively scene that looks like a really professional quality creative. Below that, finally, you'll find our Meme Generator, which was already part of the platform. For the video options, on the Generate with AI section, you'll find both the Smart Creative, which works with templates, and our AI avatars, where you can create branded UGC content to advertise your products. Finally, below everything, you'll find the Editing Studio option where you can refine all of your generated content. Another thing that has changed is that now you can directly interact with the Preview section to add multiple creatives. If you want, you can directly add multiple ones from this same area, as well as remove them. All you need to do is tap on Add More to open the selector or tap on the cross on the top right to remove them from the selection. This will allow you to edit multiple creatives at the same time, and to remove or add new ones as you go. Finally, we also added a few small details, like these edit and remove options right on the previews on the left, and we have updated this. Remember, the top option is to preview the images or videos. The bottom is to remove them. Just a quick refresher. The same is true for any of your creatives over here. With the first option, you can preview. With the middle one, you will open the Design Studio where you can add headlines, your logo, or whatever you might need into an existing creative. And the third one is to simply remove it from your library.